So today I got my eyebrows tinted and I decided to try some faux lash extensions. I'm not even done doing, well, I think I am done with this eye. I pretty much like it. For my first try, I have the crazy urge to curl it with my eyelash curlers. And I hope it don't mess them up, but I'm definitely gonna hit them with the eyelash curlers. Because I think I made this one a little too low. I think I did. Because it kind of goes in like an angle. But I love the way these look. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do them. Okay, so I fixed it. I'm not gonna pinch them with my eyelash curler. I just added another lash in betwixt them. I like it. It's time to do the other eye because I look crazy. So I went to Ulta and I grabbed Kiss Lash Couture Luxe Extensions 3D DIY faux lash extension kit. And I ripped the box, but this is how the curls look. And this is what comes in. Little glue pockets, short and medium length. I don't really like long length, so that was perfect. They give you these cute little tweezers and your choice of either clear lash adhesive or black. I went with black just because I have a fear that this will turn white. And I probably should have just tried it, but whoops, my OCD wouldn't let me. And I had these here just from me doing nails. A kit that I ordered had some of these in here, so yeah. That's pretty much it. And I'm just gonna show you guys how I put my lashes on. All right, so what I did first was basically wipe my eyelash off to make sure there was no debris. And I just pretty much got started in placing them where I wanted to. So I started with the medium length. Of course, I started medium from here all the way up until about here, and then I started the short. I originally planned to go with a classic look. I feel like this is kind of, I don't know, not classic, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do is just brush these lashes out. My lashes are pretty long by themselves. Like, look at all of that. And I know people are probably gonna be like, yeah, your lashes not that long, blah, blah, blah. To me, they're long. I don't necessarily want to be addicted to lashes, so I pretty much do mascara. And a lot of the times I don't even put on mascara just because I hate taking it off. But I got my eyebrows tinted today, as you can see. And I was like, why not? And these eyebrow tint is gonna last 2 to 3 weeks. And it says that these lashes last about 2 weeks. But I have a trick to making them last for 3 weeks. So we shall see how that goes. I'm gonna actually go grab my cord to turn on my light so you guys can see how I do it a little bit better. Okay, I have my little piece now, so we will go ahead and get some light going on in here. Bam. All right, so now you guys can see me. I will say, look how this one is, like laying further down. I don't like that. So I can already tell, like, my OCD will not allow me to leave these alone until I get them how they supposed to, you know, look a little more professional. But I think for the most part, they look good. I just want to see where I went wrong at. My face looks so terrible up close. You know what? I shouldn't say that. Because they say what comes out your mouth is worse than what you hear in your head. And I don't want to make myself feel like I'm just so ugly. And I don't feel like that. But, like, so this is what I mean by, like, my lashes are long. And you guys will see when I start putting on the shorts, like, my lashes are the same length as these short lashes. Yeah. So I'm going to start by showing you guys how I put it on. And I go under. I think what's messing me up is I'm putting like close to my lash line, but not on my lash line. So we'll see. We'll see about that. If I'm wrong, please leave a comment to let me know how to correct it. Like if that should be correctful. And so this is how I'm gonna make sure that I do the second one the same. So this is what I use for the first one. So I'm gonna just match these up as I'm doing the second. And you guys gotta be mindful that this glue dries like super freaking fast. So this is how I pick up the lash. Just like close to the base. And dip a little bit of it on the back. And I just place it. My eyes about to start watering. Okay, I have to turn this angle. Bear with me. All right, so I'm looking at y'all through my watch, and I'm trying to make sure I can get this angle right. No, I'm gonna lose you guys. Okay, there it goes. So, I'm gonna put a little more glue in here because I'm pretty sure that's dry by now. And I'm probably only gonna do one of these. Well, yeah, I'm gonna just do like one or two of these on regular speed, and then I'm gonna time lapse the rest of it because I have to be up for work at 4 in the morning. I'm sorry, I gotta be up at 3 to get ready for work. But basically, I just steady my hand and start at the corner. And for those who are used to doing individual lashes on themselves, this will be super easy for you. Like, you are just gonna breeze right through this. Me, I'm gonna have trouble with this eye simply because, well, maybe I won't. But I have astigmatism in my left eye, and I do wear glasses, so it definitely is hard for me to see a bit. But we will get through this because mama ain't raised no punk. My eyes watering. This one is crazy. But yeah, it's too late to back out now. We already got a whole eye. I'm talking brand new. Oh my God, I wish I was both-handed.
No, but seriously, I wish I was ambidextrous, because this will make the process much easier. But like y'all can see, like I'm just placing them, lifting them gently, because the glue is not dry all the way and I don't want to mess up what I did just put down. Because if you, like, I'm just basically like tapping and like kind of brushing up gently. Because if you brush too hard, you will take it off. And that's what we don't want to do. So I'm probably going to do one more. And then, and I hope this is all inside of the camera's view. I'm going to do one more. And I'm going to time-lapse the rest of it. Because I got to eat, I got to hop in the shower, and I have to brush my teeth. I still got to find an outfit for Cinco de Mayo. And it's just a lot, y'all. Like, I'm literally starting a new job tomorrow. Well, my second job. I start tomorrow. And, uh-oh, see, that one didn't stick. Well, it's stuck. It was sticking, but not how or where we wanted it to. So, and if this happens, don't panic, especially if you're a beginner like me, because I have not done my own lashes since the year of 2015. Yep, right before I graduated beauty school. They actually have a lash glue that you brush on your actual eyelashes. I want to say you can get it from Amazon and Ulta. One of the girls at the shop had it, and she did her own lash clusters like I'm doing now, and she said it was pretty easy. So I'll probably try that next and see how that goes for me, if these don't turn out right. Okay, enough of that. You guys seen the demonstration, hopefully everything was in camera's view. I'm about to time slap it, and I'll BRB with the finished results. Mary is completely dirty, but this is the finished look. My eyes are itching right now, but that's because my eyelids are so used to not having something on them other than mascara or just plain. But I like them. And I was able to match up each eye. Now, as a professional, let me turn this camera around. A professional can probably tell the difference, or just somebody who gets their lashes done often can tell the difference if I, misplaced one. But y'all, 10 out of 10, I would recommend you guys to run, do not walk, and get this. If you are on a budget, if you're trying to save money, if you just don't feel like sitting there waiting for an appointment, paying for an appointment, paying that price, or whatever, go get them. They sell them at Ulta and Target. Again, it is Kiss Lash Couture Luxe Extensions. So, yeah.